Alrighty, here I have a 500 watt air duster. This is so cool. This thing is honestly going to blow you away. This thing is so awesome. It comes with a ton of accessories. So we've got the air duster right here. You've got this one, which is basically like the head of a vacuum cleaner. You've got an extra little one here, just for a more like tailored airflow, I guess, if you kind of want to get on one specific spot. These would be really good for if you're like a photographer and you want to clear off a set, or you want to clear off a bench or something like that, you're getting up really close, then this is absolutely perfect. So let's turn this guy on and see how we go. Let's put a head on actually and see. Let's go maybe this big one. Oh, it also does come with 2 extra filters there. So there's a filter at the back. You can just pop off this little purple bit here and then replace that on there, which is awesome. So we've got a lower setting and a higher setting. So I've plugged it in. It just plugs into the wall socket, nice and simple. Wow, that is so strong. Whoa, check this out. And there go all of the accessories into the sink. As you can see, they got blown off completely. That was insane. That was only on the lower setting as well. So this is so good. I could see you having this in your car, maybe just to clear out the dust. Maybe you go surfing a lot like I do and you get sand in your car constantly. So this would be absolutely perfect to get that out. Go check out this 500 watt air duster.